No,
Here,
Dad,
what are you guys doing?
we're changing.
No, you're not changing.
Yes.
Now we are. Get out.
Stop being
Don't touch the screen. Well, who's watching Caleb, Shannon?
Grandma.
Come on. Hey. Hey, this way. This way.
Hi, Roxy. Caleb.
Papa's calling you.
Caleb. Caleb. Hello, Caleb. Hello, Caleb Robert. How are you doing? What are you trying to get into? What are you trying to get? What's in his mouth?
Got something in your mouth? No. Oh. I don't know. Nothing,
Piece of a
almost.
cookie or something.
Yeah, that could be. Go ahead, open it up. Open it. Open it. This is. I think he's given up on the cupboards. He's just walking right by him.
Smart boy. You gonna walk straight across there?
Let's think about trying that. No. This one. Not making you mad this time.
You see yourself in there?
Yes.
You see yourself in there? Who's that?
Oh, he's gonna kiss himself.
Was that you?
Bye. Bye. Oh, look at that pretty boy in there.
Who's that boy in there? Caleb. Caleb. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Papa. Bye-bye, Papa. Papa? Caleb. Caleb, did you say Papa? Caleb, did you say Papa? Caleb, say Papa. Papa? Caleb, Papa? Caleb. Caleb. Papa? Papa? Caleb, Mama? Caleb, Mama? Papa? Caleb, Papa? Caleb, Papa? You see Roxy? Is that Rara? Rara? Rara?